Welcome to MailOutGuides.com, everything you need for email marketing success. MailOutGuides.com combines everything you need to start and manage a successful email newsletter campaign, including list management, bounce handling, fast automated sending, forms and personalization. Let's begin by logging in. Sending your first email campaign. Sending your first email campaign is a simple task but requires some initial setup before we can proceed. Follow these simple steps and you'll be sending your first email campaign in no time. Step 1. Create your mailing list. A mailing list is a collection of your subscribers' details. It includes their email address and any optional fields such as name, age and sex, which you can create. When sending out an email newsletter, you send it to a mailing list, which means everyone on that list will receive the email. Step 2. Create custom fields, optional. Custom fields allow you to collect extra information about your subscribers, such as name, age, gender, country, etc. You can create as many custom fields as you like, and you can use them in the content of your newsletter. Custom fields need to be created before you create your subscription form, as they are included as fields that can be filled in by your website visitors, along with their email address. More on this later. Step 3. Add import subscribers. Before you can send a newsletter, you need someone to send it to. In Step 1, we created a mailing list. In this step, we will look at 3 different ways you can add subscribers to your mailing list. 1. Import subscribers from a file. If you already have a list of subscribers in a file on your computer, you can upload that file into the system and add the subscribers to your new mailing list. To start, you will need to export your subscriber list from your other mailing program. You should export your subscriber list into a CSV, comma-separated value file. A CSV file will contain a list of your subscribers' details in a line-by-line format. Move your mouse over the Subscribers tab and click the Import Subscribers option as shown below. This will start the Import Subscribers wizard. Choose the mailing list you want to import subscribers to and click the Next button. The example import file above includes 3 records, and each record is separated with a new line. Each record contains 4 fields, and each field is separated with a comma. The CSV file will typically have a CSV or text file extension. Start by clicking on the Browse button in the form to select your sheet. Make sure you tick the Yes, this file contains headers checkbox. Click the Next button to proceed to the next step. You will now be asked to map the fields from the imported file to the fields in the system. Simply click the drop-down box next to each field that was found in the file and match it up to the field in the system. Click the Next button when you are done. Finally, click the Start Import button. Your subscribers will be imported one by one, and the pop-up window that appears will show you how many subscribers have been imported and how many remain. You will see a final report when all subscribers have been imported. 2. Type in subscribers manually. If you only have a handful of subscribers to add to your list, you can use the Add Subscriber form to add them in. Move your mouse over the Subscribers tab and click the Add Subscriber menu option. Choose a mailing list to add subscribers to and then click the Next button. Fill out the form by typing in their email address and values for any custom fields you've created for the mailing list. When you're done, click Save to save the subscriber to the mailing list and add another subscriber. Click Save and Exit to add the subscriber and return to the main page of the system. 3. Create a subscription form for your website. If you want to offer visitors to your website a way to sign up to your mailing list, you can create a subscription form in the system to add to your site. You will need to have a little experience with HTML to add the form to your website. To get started, click the Website Forms link shown in the top right-hand corner of the system. This will take you to the Manage Website Forms page. Website forms are special forms that you can create. You can create website forms to accept subscribers, for someone to unsubscribe, modify their subscription details, or send an email campaign to their friends. Click the Create Form button to create a form. Type in a form name and make sure you choose the subscription option from the form type drop-down. If you aren't sure what any of the fields are, just move your mouse over the help icon next to that field. Click the Next button. Depending on which form options you choose, you may or may not be required to enter more details. Again, if you are unsure of anything, just move your mouse over the help icon next to the field and read the help text. Once you've created your form, you'll be taken back to the Manage Website Forms page. Simply click the Get HTML link next to your new form and paste that code into your website to add the subscription form to your site. Step 4. Create your email campaign. Create your email campaign. The most important part of your campaign is the email you will send to your mailing list. Let's now look at how to create a simple email campaign by choosing a professionally pre-designed email template from those included in the system. Move your mouse over the Email Campaigns tab and click the Create Email Campaign menu option. Complete the Create Email Campaign form. Choose HTML for the format. In this example, we will create a basic HTML-only newsletter with graphics and formatted text. Finally, choose one of the professionally pre-designed email templates from the Email Template box. Use the preview link to view all of the templates. Click the Next button when you're done. When the next page loads, type in a subject line for your email campaign. This is the text subscribers will see when they look at the emails in their inbox, so make it short and to the point. Scroll down the page and you will see the email editor. You can type in text content for your email here. In this example, we'll just copy and paste a few paragraphs of text from Microsoft Word using the editor's Paste from Word function. Under the email editor, you will see two links: Insert Custom Fields and Insert Unsubscribe Link. You should always include an unsubscribe link in your email, and if you don't, the system will warn you when it saves. To insert the value of a custom field in your newsletter, just click the Insert Custom Fields link. Choose the custom field you want to add and click the Insert button next to it. The custom field will be added to your content and will be represented by a placeholder variable, such as percentage email percentage or first name. When the email is sent, these values will be replaced with real values from your subscriber mailing list. For example, email might be replaced with user1@somesite.com and first name might be replaced with John. Complete the attachments section of the form if you want to include file attachments with your email campaign. Before clicking the Save and Exit button to move on, send a preview of your email using the Send Preview section of the form. Congratulations! You've just created your first email campaign. Let's now move on to send it to your mailing list of subscribers. Send your email campaign. Sending your email campaign in the system is easy. To send your campaign, click the Send Email Campaign link under the Email Campaigns menu. When the page loads, choose the mailing list you want to send your campaign to. For this example, uncheck the Yes, Show Filtering options on the next page checkbox. That's an advanced option and isn't needed when you're just getting started. Click Next to continue. On the next step, choose the email campaign you want to send from the drop-down list and leave all pre-selected options as they are and click Next. The default options of tracking links and notifying the owner by email are fine. You can change any form options if you like. Finally, click the Start Sending button to send the email campaign to your subscribers. When the window closes, the email has been sent to all subscribers in the mailing list. Check your inbox too, because as the owner of the list, you will receive a notification that the campaign has just finished sending. Congratulations! You've just created and sent your first email campaign.